Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you 10 ways to use CA glue. Alright, so I'm in my shop. Forgive the mess. I'm actually in the middle of several different projects, so there is sawdust everywhere. But I wanted to show you guys real quick a package that Starbond sent over to me. It's been at least 2 months probably since they sent it. I've been testing out this glue. They shared it with me so that if I found that it was useful or a really good product that I would share with you guys. So I actually went and I've tested this out, and every single time I'm in my shop I actually find a reason to pull this out and use it. So it's actually really helpful. So they sent over 3 different types of clear super glue or CA glue. They had the thin, this is really runny, the medium, and this is a little bit less runny, and thick, that doesn't drip much at all. And I've used all 3 for different applications. It works really well. Also, they sent over a brown CA glue, super glue. This works really well for woodworking, and I'll show you guys a couple ways I use this as well. And then they sent over a bottle of their accelerator spray. This is amazing. If you get this glue, you're gonna wanna get a bottle of this accelerator. It literally dries the glue within seconds. You don't have to waste time holding it in place for minutes while you're waiting for the glue to dry. You just spray this on one surface, you put a glue on the other surface, put them together, and they harden almost instantly. So I'll jump into 10 ways that you can use this in your shop. Now, number 1 is probably the most obvious, and that is assembling projects. This glue works really well for smaller projects as well as mixed material projects. So I'm using wood as well as some paracord string, and I'm gluing those together with this Starbond glue. Now, what's great about this is it works on a wide variety of materials. So I've tested with glass, metal, plastic, rubber, wood, and most of the surfaces will work. Some surfaces it doesn't stick as well as others. Now, number 2 is fixing damaged lumber. So as you're working with wood, lots of times it will splinter or crack, pieces will break off, and that's when it's perfect to have some of this clear CA glue on hand, because you can easily glue the pieces back together. And with the clear glue, you don't actually see any joints or cracks once you're done. You can sand this over lightly and you won't even see that there was a mistake there. Now, number 3 is first aid. If you're like me, you probably don't want to stop working while you have a cut, a small one like this. You can easily put some of this glue over top and spray the accelerator spray on top, and that will harden almost instantly and seal the cut so that you don't get any blood on the nice pieces of wood that you're working on. Now, obviously, a Band-Aid can do the same thing, but oftentimes a Band-Aid can get in the way while you're working, and it's just inconvenient. Number 4, fixing cracked lumber. Now, this can be caused by the wood drying out. As it dries, it shrinks, and that cracks the wood because it's causing tension on the wood. Now, another area where this is very common is where there are knots. Those knots tend to crack as they dry. So this brown CA glue works perfect for filling in around those knots. And once you sand this down, it will blend right in with the texture and color of the knot and look really nice. So this basically takes unusable wood and turns it back into something that you can use. The glue also will bond together and hold the wood together really well and keep it from further cracking later on. Now, I'll show you what this looks like after a really quick sand. It blends in so well, you don't even notice it, and I think it adds a lot of texture and character to the wood as well. Number 5, fixing bad joints. So if you're like me, you may cut every once in a while a bad joint and it doesn't quite fit exactly how you want it to. So instead of recutting everything, there is another option. You can use this dark brown CA glue that Starbond makes to fill that joint and make it a little bit less noticeable and kind of blend in. Now you can see on the bottom there's a slight crack. I'm going to fill this real quick with some of that glue. I'll come back with the accelerator spray that on it, and it may take 1 to 2 passes with the glue to completely fill that crack. But once that's done, I can take it over to the sander and sand that down. You still will be able to notice it, but it will look a whole lot better than before. Number 6 is preventing blowout damage while you're working with wood and milling it. So I noticed this one knot in this wood that it seemed pretty loose, it had a lot of cracks in it, and if you've used planers before or joiners, table saws, you probably would know that that knot wouldn't last very long before it blows out. That will ruin that whole piece of wood. There'll just be a giant hole in the wood. So instead of doing that, I've started putting a little bit of CA glue on top of that, letting it dry, and then sending it through the planer, and it actually holds everything together and keeps that knot from blowing out. So it worked really well. This particular piece of wood I needed to mill down to 1/4 inch, and I really wanted to keep that knot because it adds a lot of character to the wood, and this is the perfect way to do that, adding a little bit of glue in there to hold everything together before you start milling it down. Number 7, fixing your tools. So you may run into this in the middle of a project. You really don't want to run out and get a new tool right then. Some CA glue can help lots of times to fix those tools, repair them, and maybe stretch the lifespan of those tools a little bit before you have to go buy new ones. Now I've used this several times to repair a few different tools, and it worked really well, so it's really nice to have these on hand if you need them. Number 8, making custom sanding blocks. So lots of times you'll run into an issue where your sander can't fit and you're going to have to sand something by hand. This works perfect for that because holding onto a small piece of sandpaper is really frustrating and it's hard to do. All you have to do is cut your scrap piece of wood in whatever shape or size you need it to be to sand down your project, and glue some sandpaper on top with the CA glue. So I'm actually using a belt that broke off of my sander and is unusable for me now. I can actually reuse it and make it useful again. Number 9, fixing strip screws. So this happens a lot of time with cabinets. The hinges will strip out and it's hard to get those to stay in. So what I found is if you take a couple drips of this CA glue and put that down into the hole, you can also put in a small piece of wood and glue that in place as well. Then let that dry, come back a little while later with the screw, and it will give you a lot more strength to tighten down, and it actually holds really well. Number 10, mounting hardware. So this works really well for temporarily gluing hardware in place while you pre-drill and mount it with screws. Now this works better for smaller pieces of hardware, but you just put a couple drops of the glue on it, get it in place, put some accelerator on the other piece that you're gluing it to, and you just simply push it together, hold it for a few seconds, and it's hardened and ready to go. Alright, so a bonus tip for any of you parents out there, this glue works really well for fixing broken toys. I've actually done this quite a few times now since having this, and it also works really well fixing anything around the house, really. Alright guys, that just about finishes up the video for today. If you can think of any other uses for CA glue, let me know down in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Also, if you're interested in buying some of this glue, go check out the description in this video. I'll leave the link there. Alright guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one.